could have been one lonely night, just like all the others.
I got this washable mask, reusable mask that has flower embroidery on it. My aunt made it really cute.
This is what it's like to be lovers. You and me, we never lonely again. Spin with me endlessly, or at least until the end. Please never fall in love again. Oh, please never fall in love again. And if some other guy catches please just text me your goodbye. You know it's only pretty when I cry. And I don't want that to be a final glimpse of me, baby. But if you could please return my Shrek DVDs, maybe, please never fall in love again. Oh, please never fall in love again.
Today morning, when my mom went out, she found out someone put a bag of sweet corns on top of my mom's car, and we were like, who put it there? And then my mom just took it into the house, and now she just boiled it, and I'm eating it. I hope it's not poison. My dog is wearing a choker. Not sure if you guys can see it, but it's a purple flower embroidered choker. I I got it from Shopee. The choker is actually not for dogs. I usually don't buy chokers because I don't really wear them. But when I saw this, I thought to myself that I have to get this for my dog because it's so cute. I also got it in pink color and also red, so I can like change it for my dog time to time if I get bored of it. There's also a blue one. Gonna be making this pink red bean buns that I picked out yesterday. It says 4 to 5 minutes. My food combination looks kind of funny, but I have 3 red bean buns and then a fried egg and also a strawberry yogurt. This red bean side. very sweet. I saw a lot of YouTubers doing videos like eating only pink foods for 24 hours. And I thought that's so fun to do. So yesterday I finished my last paper for this whole semester, and I just straight changed my clothes. I went out with my mom to the post office and also the supermarket to like pick out some foods that are in pink color, but I realized most of the pink foods are actually like snacks and food that are not so nutritious. So I'm not gonna like do it the whole day. I'm just gonna like eat pink foods for my breakfast or during my snack time. I also bought these two, which are strawberry flavored snacks. I want to eat them, but at the same time, I feel like I should not be eating so much sugar in one day. So I'm just gonna like keep it and then eat it when I'm hungry. I'll just put it on my bookshelf behind me. It's kind of pink color. It poured out. I actually eat this every day. My family buys this regularly. So I'm gonna end my vlog right here because the title is a day in my life vlog. So I started my vlog around afternoon yesterday, so I'm gonna stop it around the same time today too. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.